shadow shroud. Steel and rubble paint the ground. Peace was lost, it can't be found. Leaders bold with empty words, promises like mockingbirds. Here we stand with fears concealed, heartbeats crash like breaking shields. Leaders bold with empty words, promises like mockingbirds. Here we stand with fears concealed, heartbeats crash like breaking shields. We don't need your walls and lies. In this storm of spirits lies. We'll define the blackened skies. On our terms we'll survive. Sirens scream the midnight song, told us we've been right all along. Found our strength within the fight, glowing dawn, defying night. We don't need your wars and lies. In this storm of spirits lies. We'll defy the blackened skies. On our terms we'll survive. Hope ignites in shattered lands, unity in broken hands. No more cages, no commands. We'll rebuild with hope unplanned. We don't need your wars and lies. In this storm of spirits lies. We'll defy the blackened skies. On our terms we'll survive. We don't need your wars and lies. In this storm of spirits lies. We'll defy the blackened skies. On our terms we'll survive. Sirens scream the midnight song, told us we've been right all along. Found our strength within the fight, glowing dawn, defying night. Hope ignites in shattered lands, unity in broken hands. No more cages, no commands, glowing dawn, defying night. Don't need the wars and lies. In this storm